Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove a virus on Windows 11. All right, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it, then select Quick Scan to start scanning your system for malware. While the scan runs, click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection and make sure all protection options like real-time protection are turned on. Go back to the main window, scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Updates, and click Check for Updates to make sure your security definitions are up to date. If any threats are found during the scan, they will be listed under Current Threats. If nothing is found, close the window and move on to the next step. Open your browser, search for Malwarebytes, and go to malwarebytes.com. Click on the free download button, install the program, and open it. Click Scan to begin a deeper scan of your system. If malware is found, it will show up in the detections list. Follow the prompts to remove them. Finally, open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC scannow and hit Enter. This checks for any corrupted system files and repairs them. Once complete, restart your computer. So that's basically how you can remove a virus on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.